Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to blink flashlight on incoming call in iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select accessibility. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see audio/visual. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and you're going to tap on LED flash for alerts, and you're going to toggle on LED flash for alerts, and you can also toggle on flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. Now whenever you receive an incoming call or message on your iPhone, your flashlight will blink. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.